All right, let's get you up to date on the major snowstorm that's going to be moving through this weekend and then the frigid air. Both of these things we'll be dealing with in Portsmouth. At least we've got some sunshine, but the temperatures are feeling much colder as the winds are picking up. So first up is the Arctic blast. That's coming in tonight. It continues through the day tomorrow and even Sunday. With the snow moving in, it's still going to be very cold. Wind chills tonight and into early on Saturday, likely in the double digits below zero, and likely all day long on Saturday as well. Sunday, a little bit better, but still, if you're going out in the snow, maybe to do some partial cleanup Sunday night, wind chills well below zero. Then, of course, it's the significant snowfall that's coming later in the day on Sunday, like in the afternoon, and then all day on Monday, looking at easily a foot plus in southern areas. Significant travel impacts for Sunday afternoon, evening, and all through the day on Monday. Winter storm watch now is posted for Sunday afternoon into Monday for central and southern areas. Wouldn't be surprised if they add the northern part of the state too. This pink area here across, say, Texas all the way up toward us, this is a winter storm warning. Crazy to see that the same storm that will have significant snowfall is bringing ice and snow to places in the deep southern part of the United States. This is the storm right now. It looks like nothing, but it's forming. It's got the energy. It's gaining more moisture, and eventually it becomes this nasty storm with ice from Dallas all the way to Atlanta, and eventually the snow works its way toward us. By the way, this afternoon there could be a few scattered snow showers as the colder air is draining down out of Canada. Saturday looks quiet, but just the bitterly cold air is in place. Now let's see how the storm advances closer to us. Sunday morning, it's cloudy, it's dry. That's the time for any last-minute errands. Then by noon, 1 o'clock, we're beginning to see the snow break out in southern New Hampshire, and then it fills in up to the north by about 4 or 5 p.m. This is 8 p.m., and we have some of the heavy bands of snow moving into central and southern areas, and this continues almost all night. And of course, when it's coldest, and when it is cold, the snow is much more of a fluffier, powdery type consistency, and that piles up very quickly because there's actually air in between all of the little snowflakes. And so you can get these huge snowfall amounts with just a little bit of snow or moisture in the snow. It continues all day on Monday. Monday evening could be another last blast. You can see some of this, 5 p.m. Monday evening. So this is a long duration thing. It's gone by early on Tuesday, but the cleanup will certainly be continuing on. About 12 to 18 inches. This is probably one of the biggest snowfalls we've had, at least in the last 3 years. And then there could be higher amounts too when you get into the northern part of the state. We're looking at that data a little bit later this afternoon to see if there's any changes. Temperatures teens and 20s right now, but the winds are gusting 40 miles per hour in Concord. So the feels like temperatures are already in the teens and single digits, and this is just the beginning. Extreme cold warning for the northern part of the state overnight tonight, and there you go. There are the wind chills. Yep, 30s below in the northern part of the state by tomorrow morning. There's the snow Sunday afternoon into Monday, and then quieter next week.